Channel catfish. Channel catfish is the most widely recognized catfish species in North America. It lives in rivers, lakes, and reservoirs across the United States and Canada, preferring clean, moving water with sandy or rocky bottoms. Its body is slender and bluish-gray, with a forked tail and scattered dark spots along its sides. Channel catfish are opportunistic feeders, meaning they eat almost anything: insects, small fish, crayfish, and plant matter. Because of this adaptability, they've become one of the most farmed fish in the country. Aquaculture operations in the southern United States produce millions of pounds of channel catfish each year, making it a staple of American freshwater cuisine. Anglers also pursue them heavily, as they're relatively easy to catch and put up a solid fight on the line. Blue catfish. Blue catfish is the largest catfish species native to North America. It can grow to well over 100 pounds, and some individuals have been recorded exceeding 140 pounds in major river systems like the James and Susquehanna. Unlike the channel catfish, it has no spots and a more uniformly slate blue coloring, with a straight-edged anal fin that helps distinguish it from similar species. Blue catfish prefer large, deep rivers with strong current. They're powerful predators, feeding on shad, herring, and other fish, with surprising aggression for a bottom-dwelling species. In parts of Virginia and Maryland, blue catfish were introduced decades ago as a sport fish and have since become an invasive concern, outcompeting native species and reshaping local ecosystems. Efforts to manage their population have actually turned them into a commercial seafood product in those regions. Flathead catfish. Flathead catfish is built differently from most catfish. Its head is wide and flat, as the name suggests, and its lower jaw juts out slightly beyond the upper, giving it a distinctive, almost stubborn-looking profile. The body tends toward a mottled yellow-brown pattern, which provides camouflage among the roots and logs where it likes to hide. Flatheads are almost entirely carnivorous, preferring live prey over dead bait. This sets them apart from other catfish species, which will readily take a hook baited with cutfish or prepared stinkbait. Flatheads want something moving. They inhabit large rivers and reservoirs across the central and eastern United States and are known for reaching sizes that rival the blue catfish. Trophy flatheads over 80 pounds are not unusual. They tend to be solitary, territorial, and nocturnal, hunting alone under the cover of darkness. Wels Catfish. Wels catfish is the giant of European freshwater. Native to Eastern and Central Europe, it inhabits slow-moving rivers and large lakes, particularly in the basins of the Danube and Volga. The wels can grow to extraordinary sizes. Lengths of over 2 meters are well documented, and there are credible records of fish exceeding 2.5 meters and 130 kilograms. Its body is long and scaleless, with a broad, flat head and a very small dorsal fin, followed by a lengthy anal fin running most of the underside. 2 long barbels extend from the upper jaw, and 4 shorter ones line the chin. These whisker-like structures sense vibrations and chemical signals in the water. Wels catfish are ambush predators, waiting motionless before striking. In some documented cases, they've been observed lunging partially onto riverbanks to catch pigeons, behavior that drew significant attention from researchers studying their adaptability. Striped Raphael Catfish. Striped Raphael Catfish is one of the most commonly kept catfish in home aquariums. It originates from South America, found across river systems in Colombia, Peru, Ecuador, and Brazil. The body is dark brown or black, with distinct cream-colored stripes running horizontally from head to tail. It's a medium-sized species, usually reaching around 20 to 25 centimeters in captivity. One of its most unusual traits is its ability to produce audible sounds, clicking or croaking noises, made by moving its pectoral spines. These sounds are thought to serve as a defense mechanism when the fish feels threatened. Striped Raphael catfish are armored rather than scaled, covered in bony plates called scutes. They're generally peaceful, nocturnal, and prefer to have hiding spots during daylight hours. Their hardiness and calm temperament have made them a reliable choice for community tanks around the world. Glass Catfish. Glass Catfish is unlike almost any other fish kept in home aquariums. Native to river systems in Southeast Asia, particularly in Thailand and neighboring countries, it has a body so transparent that its internal skeleton and organs are clearly visible through the skin. No pigmentation obscures the view. The spine, the rib cage, and even some internal organs can be seen with the naked eye. This transparency is not a trick of light. The fish genuinely lacks the reflective cells that give most fish their visible coloring. Glass catfish are mid-water swimmers, which is unusual for catfish. Most species are bottom dwellers. They move in loose groups and become stressed when kept alone, making them one of the few catfish species that genuinely require companions of their own kind. Their delicate appearance and schooling behavior have made them one of the more visually striking species in the freshwater aquarium hobby.